My name's Daniel Lee. I'm from Orlando, Florida. I live in Vista, California now, and we have a Mercedes Sprinter, the 3500 4x4. So her brother has a storyteller, one of the early models. He's had it for a couple years now, and last year on my birthday we took him out and stayed at a hip camp just north of Santa Barbara. Number one, that hip camp was awesome. I think it was like Free Dog Farms. But on that trip is when I was like, that's it, like we're getting it. Yeah. We got it mid-August. It is our first rig, and just the ability to go off grid, travel without having to get a hotel. The outdoor life is really what we love. So we got the rig completely outfitted by a outfitter out east. The reason we brought it to Agile was because you guys came highly recommended. We had a lot of issues with this van. Pretty much everything installed was installed incorrectly. And what you guys did for us was fix the issues we were having with the drivetrain, the rear differential, the front shocks, the rear leaf spring, everything. So we put in order to fix all that, Nathan, who was awesome to work with, helped us figure out that the ride improvement package would eliminate, would actually fix a lot of the issues that we had and improve upon the current stuff we had on the van. No sticky situations yet, but we did put the air locker on the back, so if we did, we just turn that on and get out of it. We've taken it up to, all the way up to Denver and then back. Stayed just on the banks of the Colorado River. Camped out for a couple days and then continued our drive. Awesome experience. On that drive is when we realized we couldn't go above 60, 70 miles per hour because of the issues we were having with the drivetrain. All due to the installation, the lift kit put on it. We got that all taken out. So.
Well, we could have, but it sounded really, really
dangerous
and scary.
Something was breaking as we were driving above 70. So we're excited to take it out now and go faster than 70 miles per hour all the way to Denver. We're actually moving to New Mexico soon. There's not much around where that's the next duty station we're going to, where I'm going to. There's not much in the city, so I imagine we'll be using the van quite a bit to get out and explore the rest of New Mexico, Arizona, and the surrounding states. Well, that's tough.
Freedom, flexibility.
Yeah, I guess that's right. Flexibility is key. The ability to just get up and go, not having to worry about detailed planning, getting a hotel.
You can take our dog.
Yeah. Actually, I think that was one of the main reasons we got it, so we could take our pup everywhere. Yeah, he's an old dog. He's 14 years old, and the van was lifted so high, he was struggling to get in and out, so taking out some of that lift kit. The lift kit that was installed allows him to just hop in a little bit more, a little easier since he is old and his joints are hurting. Pick a good outfitter, someone who has some decent reviews and established, because that's what we did not do, and now we're suffering through that. But once you do pick a good outfitter, even then, modifying and fixing the van just doesn't stop. As long as you're willing to accept that, and that's most car people, they understand that. But people who get the van for the first time or aren't really car people, that's a shocker.
Well, it's like a home though too. There's always maintenance, so it's just.
Hey, and thanks for watching. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your notifications. We'll be sending out videos weekly, and we look forward to seeing you next week.